There we have a VIVO Y35, and today I will show you how you can give some more power to your speaker on this device. So in the first step we have to open the settings and choose the sound section. Now by this little switcher you can turn off or turn off audio booster on this device. But in the other way we can try to download some app from the Google Store. I choose that one, so open it, tap no thank you, no thank you, and no thank you. Close the window now, click OK, and how you can see there we can increase or decrease boost power of your speaker. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, and goodbye.